Hi, my name is Anis, and today I'll be solving the following question. We were given an article which mentioned that the Build-A-Bear stores had massive lineups of customers due to a sale event. And when we read into the article, we see that the event was called the Pay Your Age event, and what it essentially means that the Build-A-Bear stores are willing to price products as low as the ages of the customers. And so if you were like a 15-year-old, you would get like a $15 toy, and even cheaper as long as you age that much. And it was a very attractive event. It attracted a lot of customers all around USA. And from the article, we were given a few questions. First one being, do we think that consumers have an elastic or inelastic demand for Build-A-Bear? So elasticity essentially means how sensitive are the quantity demanded or supplied to the price. And when we talk about elasticity of demand, we're focusing on quantity demanded specifically with respect to price. And from that, we have two types of elastic demand, which is given here as elastic and inelastic. And what it essentially means is inelastic demand would be where the buyers are very less sensitized to the prices, so they're very less sensitive to the prices. And elastic would mean the otherwise, where buyers are very sensitive to the prices being greater than one. And looking at the article and the event and the attraction of the large amount of customers who Build-A-Bear specifically, we would say that the consumers have an elastic demand for Build-A-Bear. And following that, we are asked to give another example of a good or service with similar elasticity. And it would be a very broad market for goods of luxury, you could say, such as Apple, um, Rolex, Versace, Gucci, and such luxury goods, where you would be having very elastic style of demand. And the final question being asked was, would an economist hypothetically likely advise Build-A-Bear to continue offering these lower prices at like these sales at these times, like periodic sales and at lower price in general, or would they advise them to raise prices and not offer sales? So we have to understand that if you have a very elastic demand, a price increase would go to a very significant price decrease. So to raise the prices, or economists advising to raise the prices, would negatively affect the billable revenue. And so we would say that a rational economist would advise Build-A-Bear to offer lower prices similar to these sales.